Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Now that we've laid the foundation, it's time to dive deeper into how to find the right properties, assess their value, and maximize your profits in raw land investment. Risks and challenges of raw land investment. Raw land might seem like a low-maintenance investment, but it's not without pitfalls. Before you buy, it's smart to know where things can go wrong, whether it's market swings, legal surprises, or environmental headaches. Here's what could trip you up. Market volatility and economic factors. Land values don't always climb steadily. A local factory closure, a drop in crop prices, or a recession can slam the brakes on demand. Unlike houses, which attract buyers even in tough times, raw land sits idle until conditions improve. For example, farmland. Droughts or falling grain prices can slash income from leases, leaving you with land that's worth less than you paid. Development land. If a city's growth stalls, that prime lot on the outskirts could stay empty for years. Recreational land. Hunting or camping parcels sell fast when the economy's strong, but they're the first thing buyers drop in a downturn. Land is illiquid. Need to sell fast? You might take a big loss or wait months for the right buyer. Environmental and legal risks. That peaceful stretch of woods or rolling field could hide expensive problems. Before you buy, dig into soil contamination. Old gas stations, illegal dumping, or pesticide runoff from neighboring farms can trigger costly cleanups. Endangered species. Find protected owls or wetlands on your property, and suddenly you can't build or even clear brush. Title disputes. Missing heirs, unpaid taxes, or vague property lines lead to court battles. A title search is cheap insurance. Zoning fights. Neighbors or local groups might block your plans if they don't want new development nearby. One investor bought Arizona desert land, only to learn later it was a Native American burial site. Now they can't dig, build, or sell without approval from tribal authorities. Bottom line? Raw land isn't just about holding and hoping. Know the risks, or they'll know you first. Strategies for successful raw land investment. Smart raw land investment isn't about luck. It's about strategy. Whether you plan to hold for decades or flip quickly, the right approach can mean the difference between profit and a money pit. Here's how to make raw land work for you. Long-term versus short-term investment approaches. Holding for appreciation. Buying land and waiting is the slow but steady path. Look for areas with population growth, future infrastructure projects, scarcity. Pros. Low maintenance. Taxes stay cheap until you sell or develop. Less competition from flippers or developers. Cons. Cash is tied up for years or decades. No income unless you lease it for farming or hunting, developing or flipping. Faster profits come from adding value quickly. This might mean subdividing large parcels into smaller lots, clearing trees for timber sales, securing permits to build roads or utilities. Pros. Quicker returns if the market is hot. Higher sale price with minimal improvements. Cons. Requires upfront cash for surveys and permits. Risky if demand drops before you sell. Tip: hybrid strategies work too. Buy undervalued land, hold until zoning changes, then sell to developers at a premium. Due diligence and expert consultation. Skipping research is the fastest way to lose money. Protect yourself with these steps. Verify the essentials. Boundaries. Hire a surveyor to mark exact lines. Avoid approximate plots. Disputes with neighbors can kill deals. Zoning. Call the local planning office. Ask what's allowed, building, farming, subdividing, and what's coming, new roads, rezoning. Access. No road. You'll need an easement. Check if neighbors will grant one before buying. Assemble your team. Real estate attorney. Reviews, contracts, and title history. Worth it to dodge hidden liens or ownership disputes. Land surveyor. Confirms acreage and boundaries. Missing even 1 foot can delay sales or construction. Local agents, brokers. They know which areas are heating up and which are stagnant. Network with locals. Chat with farmers, builders, or town officials. They'll hint at future developments, a new mall or highway, before it's public. Join Facebook groups or forums for land investors. Deals often pop up there first. Warning: never buy land site unseen. Visit it in different seasons. Spring floods or summer droughts can reveal deal breakers. What's your risk tolerance? If you hate surprises, lean on experts and triple-check every detail. If you're patient, focus on location and let time do the heavy lifting. Either way, the right strategy keeps your investment safe and profitable. Actionable takeaway: start small. Buy one manageable plot, test your strategy, then scale up. Big portfolios begin with a single acre. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.